Strangest animals found in Antarctica. The Antarctic ice fish. This marine animal is one of the strangest creatures not just in Antarctica but also in the whole world. It has no red blood cells or hemoglobin, which makes the blood of the Antarctic ice fish translucent. The ice fish is the first vertebrate to have colorless blood and a white-colored heart. Initially, the biologists thought they might have absorbed so much oxygen through their gills and thin skins that the fish no longer needed red blood cells. However, later it was discovered that the ice fish can only transfer 10% as much oxygen as fish blood, so the creature changed its body to survive. The Antarctic hellfish. Expedition Antarctica was a mission where the researchers were sent to find the weirdest aquatic animal. The mission was a complete success as they found a whole heap of strange creatures. One fish, in particular, was never seen before. It appeared that the marine life was sent from perdition. It was pink, gooey, and slimy with huge eyes and a little tongue sticking out. After research, it was found that the bizarre creature was a type of snailfish and only lives in the coldest part of the Arctic and Antarctic oceans. They live 2,100 feet below the surface along with other 400 identified species. The Antarctic octopus. The temperatures surrounding Antarctica are somewhere between 28.8 and 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It is extremely difficult to transport oxygen through the body. To survive, the weird octopus uses hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is a protein that makes the blood blue and prevents marine animals from freezing. Even when the temperature rises to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the Antarctic octopus can still thrive. Thanks to the special protein, it has enough oxygen than other animals, suggesting it has a better chance of surviving global warming. Additionally, this tiny octopus is venomous and has special venom that works even at freezing temperature, allowing it to hunt and poison creatures. The scale worm. The nightmarish animal stinks and has a golden mullet that seems completely out of place. They are found 1,500 feet below. The massive animal can grow to almost 8 inches long and 4 inches wide. Scale worms belong to the family of Polynoidae, and scientists do not know much about the scale worm. But, one thing they know is that the head of the animal is a proboscis or a tubular-sucking mouthpiece. The worm can turn its proboscis inside out and fold it inside the body, and when it is ready to eat, it unfurls the head and hunts on the prey. The comb jelly. The weird jellyfish is oval and has 8 rows of plates resembling combs, which looks beautiful. They use the combs as feet to propel themselves through the water, and as it moves the light is broken by the body, creating a shimmering rainbow effect. Other than the shape and the ability to shine, it can also expand the stomach to hold prey at least half of its size. It also has a special structure called statocyst, which is sensitive to gravity and allows them to know where to go since they have no eyes. The most terrifying fact is that the comb jelly is a cannibal, slowly eating its kin alive by biting off small chunks. Hibernated tusk monster. Scientists have discovered evidence that there was once an animal living in Antarctica 250 million years ago. The creature was a type of Lystrosaurus who had a beak like a turtle and tusks like a warthog. Antarctica had very long periods without sunlight, and the animals living had to deal with total darkness during those months. So some of them found a way to hibernate. The stress markings on the tusk indicate that each year they fell into a hibernation-like state to conserve their energy and wait out the brutal winter. It was one of the few creatures to survive the Permian period, which wiped out 70 vertebrate species on land. The Ningan. Some claim that Ningan belongs to species of ape that have developed the ability to breathe underwater. They are spotted with mermaid-like tails and hind legs that allow them to move across dry land. The rumors of Ningans have existed in Japan for years, going back to Japanese fishing vessels that spotted the creatures around the waters of Antarctica. In 2007, the aquatic animal was discussed in a local paranormal magazine and has been called Antarctic humans. Experts describe the creature as a human-ape hybrid up to 90 feet long with